Anthropology MCQ Power Pack. UGC-NET Anthropology. Part 1. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy. A study aligned with the UGC-NET Anthropology syllabus. Description box. Please visit the description box for books references. Dear learners, if you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to AnthroNet Academy. Your support really means a lot and keeps me motivated to create more valuable content for you. Big surprise at 500 subs. Once AnthroNet Academy hits 500 subscribers, we're dropping something truly special just for you. A full video revealing 100 powerful, underrated, and must-read books list in anthropology. Complete with author names and insights important for UGC-NET exam. Question 1. Which of the following are formal experimental designs? Use the codes given below. A. Completely randomized design. B. Latin square design. C. Factorial design. D. Before and after with control design. Codes. A, B, and D are correct. B, A, B, and C are correct. C, and D are correct. D, A, and D are correct. Correct answer, B. Question 2. Which of the following anthropologists are considered as American? Diffusionists? Use the codes given below. A. L.H. Morgan v. W.H.R. Rivers. C. Clark Whistler D. A.L. Kroeber. Codes. A, C, and D are correct. B, A, B, and D are correct. C, A, B, and C are correct. D, B, C, and D are correct. Correct answer, A. Question 3. Theories relating to social structure have been given by A. Radcliffe Brown. B. Evans Pritchard. C. Edmund Leach. D. Bronislaw Malinowski. Codes. A, B, and C are correct. B, 4, A, B, C, and D are correct. C, A, B, and D are correct. D, A, and D are correct. Correct answer, A. Question 4. Which of the following are polyandrous societies? Use the codes given below. A. Casa. B. Toda. C. Kinarese. D. Ahavas. Codes. A. Only A and B are correct. B. Only C and D are correct. C, A, B, C, and D are correct. D. Only A and D are correct. Correct answer, C. Question 5. Which of the following commissions are set up by the President of India? Use codes given below. A. National Commission for Backward. B. Scheduled Areas and Scheduled Tribes Commission. C. Commission for Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. D. Task Force on Development of Tribal Areas. Codes. A, B, C, and D are correct. B, C, and D are correct. C, A, B, and C are correct. D, A, C, and D are correct. Correct answer, C. Question 6. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, A, and the other is labeled as reason, R. Assertion: a little community is characterized by subsistence economy. Reason: such ascending community satisfies all needs of its members from birth to death. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Codes. A. Both A and R are true and R is not the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, R is the correct explanation of A. C. A is false, but R is true. D. R is false and A is true. Correct answer, B. Question 7. The subdiscipline of anthropology that studies diversity of human behavior in the past is A. Physical anthropology. B. Archaeology. C. Linguistic anthropology. D. Cultural anthropology. Correct answer, B. Question 8. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion, A, and the other is labeled as reason, R. Assertion: a divination is done to foresee future events or uncover the causes of past events. Reason: human beings often attempt to control the forces of the universe. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Codes. A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. Correct answer, C. Question 9. Read the statements and choose the correct answer from the options given. The specific features of chorionic villus sampling are 1. The sample contains fetal cells only. 2. It is answer-invasive procedure. 3. It is performed when the fetus is 20 weeks old. 4. It can detect most of the genetic diseases. The statements not applicable to chorionic villus sampling are Code A. I2, 3. B. 3, 4. C. I2, 4. D. I4. Correct answer, laughing face. Question 10. Read the statements and choose the answer from the option given. 1. Autosomal dominant inheritance will be shown in 50% of the offspring. 2. The males will express in higher frequency than females. 3. The trait will be revealed in every generation. 4. The trait is expressed in both the sexes. Code A. I2 and 3. B. I3 and 4. C. 2, 3 and 4. D. 3, 4 and 2. Correct answer, B. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.